In the vast expanse of time, our planet has witnessed the rise and fall of countless civilizations. Among them, there lies a captivating hypothesis that suggests the existence of advanced civilizations in Earth's ancient history. Today, we embark on a journey to explore the enigmatic concept of advanced civilizations and the intriguing Silurian Hypothesis. Prepare to be captivated as we unravel the secrets of lost civilizations and ponder the mysteries of their existence. As we gaze into the past, one question arises. Why is it so challenging to detect or find evidence of these advanced civilizations? The passage of time and the relentless forces of nature can erode the remnants of civilizations, leaving behind fragmentary evidence. Over millions of years, structures crumble, artifacts decay, and traces of advanced technology may become obscured or lost. Just for an example, according to the Wikipedia, there were approximately 2.5 billion T-Rex individuals over the species' entire existence. The estimation takes into account the species' duration and assumes an average lifespan and reproductive rate. Additionally, it states that only 32 adult T-Rex fossils have been discovered, which would mean the fossil record represents a very small fraction of the total population. But why it's so hard to find fossils? Well, obtaining fossils can be challenging due to several reasons. Rarity. Fossils are relatively rare compared to the vast number of organisms that have lived on Earth. Fossilization requires specific conditions, such as rapid burial and the presence of minerals that can replace the organic material, which are not always present. Geological processes. Fossils are typically found in sedimentary rocks, which are formed through the accumulation of sediment over long periods. However, geological processes like erosion, weathering, and tectonic activity can alter or destroy rock formations, making it difficult to find and extract fossils intact. Accessibility. Fossils are often found in remote or hard-to-reach locations, such as deserts, mountains, or deep underground. This makes the process of fossil collection physically demanding and time-consuming. Preservation bias. Fossils of certain organisms are more likely to be preserved than others. For example, organisms with hard shells or skeletons have a higher chance of fossilization compared to soft-bodied organisms. This preservation bias can make it challenging to find fossils of certain species or ecosystems. Expertise and resources. Properly excavating and preserving fossils requires specialized knowledge, equipment, and resources. It often involves the collaboration of paleontologists, geologists, and other scientists. Limited funding and access to equipment can hinder the process of fossil collection and study. Legal and ethical considerations. Many countries have laws and regulations regarding the collection and export of fossils to protect scientific and cultural heritage. Obtaining the necessary permits and adhering to ethical practices can pose additional challenges for researchers and collectors. Even though if our civilization were to go extinct, but let's not hope so. But over time, the traces of our existence could become obscured or destroyed by natural processes, leaving only fragmentary evidence behind. Similarly, ancient advanced civilizations may have faced similar challenges. The passage of time, geological processes, and the fragility of their structures and artifacts could have resulted in their gradual disappearance or destruction. But why certainly this hypothesis becomes so popular among us? The Silurian Hypothesis is a speculative idea proposed by Swedish philosopher and futurist Nick Bostrom. It suggests that advanced civilizations may have existed on Earth in the distant past, specifically during the Silurian period, which lasted from approximately 443 to 419 million years ago. The hypothesis is rooted in the concept of a technological filter, which suggests that there are certain barriers or challenges that civilizations must overcome in order to develop advanced technology. Examples of such filters could include environmental threats, resource scarcity, or self-destructive tendencies. Bostrom argues that if advanced civilizations did exist in the past, they may have faced similar challenges and either failed to overcome them or chose not to pursue technological development further. According to the Silurian Hypothesis, if a technological civilization existed during the Silurian period, it would have left behind potential evidence of its existence. However, due to the immense timescales involved and geological processes that can erase or obscure evidence, it is challenging to detect or identify such traces. It is important to note that the Silurian Hypothesis is purely speculative and not supported by any empirical evidence. It is an intriguing thought experiment that encourages us to consider the possibility of advanced civilizations existing in Earth's deep past, but remains speculative until verifiable evidence is found. While the Silurian hypothesis remains speculative, it encourages us to question our understanding of the past and consider the possibility of advanced civilizations existing before our time. As we conclude this captivating journey, remember to stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of our universe. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode of mind-expanding content. Until next time, keep questioning and keep seeking knowledge.